Here. Put it on there. Let it go.
Good
job, buddy.
You do some
You
more?
want to do another one? Here's another one. Right here. Oh.
You're setting up the light.
You want the cold slice? Come here. Look.
He took it off.
You took it off? You put it on?
Well, they stay on the tree.
Look. I told you you'd just take them off. That's hilarious.
Yeah, put him back on the tree.
Right here.
It's on his thumb.
Yeah. Uh-oh. Here, let's see what else we got. That's it. Look here, Declan. Nice IU basketball one. Here you go, look. Look. Declan, look.
Alright, I don't think this is gonna work.
No, just pulling these off.